Good morning, good afternoon everybody. Nice sunny Saturday afternoon. Doing quickly a few charts here. This is your weekly outlook video on all of the stock market, South African stock market, South African shares, equities. Let's look at it. Please read through the disclaimer. Let's look at the charts and what I am looking for in this week and what I'm going to do with the trades that we are in currently. Right, so let's go to the charts and let's go to the market. So first one here, African Rainbow Capital Investments. This is the one that I am looking at for the next week or so to get into a long position. Remember that I am long stocks. I'm not a guy that really wants to sell stocks. I'm not a bear in the stock market. I'm rather a bull. So I'm looking for buying opportunities rather than breakouts to the downside. But be it as it may, if there comes along a selling opportunity, I will take it. For now, African Rainbow. This is a move from the bottom, very impulsive. This is a bullish flag playing out, and I want to get involved above that 3 Rand area. I'm going to look at 3 Rand 90 for a possible resistance area, and if it breaks there, obviously the downward trend line broke here. And then we can look at this 5 Rand area and then the 6 Rand area. So a lot of potential on this, but I want to wait for it to break higher. Remember, guys, that we trade stocks on a daily time frame, not smaller time frame than that. So I will wait for a daily close above this resistance with a strong candle, and when the market opens up the next day with an opening price above that resistance, I will take this trade and I will take it to the long side. So very important to wait for the breakout candle with a lot of momentum, and then the first morning the next day, then only you can buy this. Now the next one I want to look here is Anglo American Platinum. I've been this for a long time. This is a head and shoulders bottom as a continuation pattern. Remember that reversal patterns can also act as continuation patterns. Left shoulder here, big head there, and the right shoulder. I've marked this as a bullish flag. The market is breaking this bullish flag now. It's accelerating, but I want to buy only above that resistance level. If it breaks there, then I only want to commit to this trade. So it's breaking the bullish flag here, but we can find resistance there. The market comes down, and then we're in trouble there. Then the market trapped us. That is why I will wait for that resistance break. Probably 1,500. That is where I want to buy Anglo American. Above there, I think this market can just accelerate to the upside. Alviva, nice trade here. We bought here at $7, 7 Rand, when the market broke this rounded bottom here. Breaking that resistance past support level, we got in around $7, and we're only going for this 9 Rand 90 area. That is the equal X target. Stop losses are already on 0, so it's a free trade at this stage. And another 1 Rand 70 move, 1 Rand 60 move, we're going to get out of this nice trade there. Very important to protect your equity. Stop losses are already on 0. Next one, Arrowhead Property Limited. I want to buy this above 160. Bullish flag here. The market came from the bottom. We had a move there, very overlapping and slow coming back. That is the personality of a bullish flag. If the market breaks above 160, I want to buy this, and I will also just go for the equal X target here, probably around that 280, 260 area. Then I want to get out of this trade. So a lot of small stocks showing bullish patterns. Now next one, we are in this trade, Blue Label Telecoms. This is one of the trades you will see on the right hand side here. This is where the sum of the trades that we are in, the red ones there. So let's look at the next one, Blue Label. Right, so a little bit of, let's fix the internet quickly. Right, let's fix the internet. Alright, my apologies guys, I'm back. Internet fixed. So let's go to Blue Label is the next one. We are in this trade. We looked at this at a head and shoulders bottom. The past support here became resistance. That resistance broke and we got into this trade. The market broke with a few candles here. It seems that the bullish momentum has stalled a little bit, but these last 3 days looks good. If the market can get above that 384 Rand area, What is the target on this? Head and shoulders bottom target for this is the R5.20 area. So I'm waiting. I'm just leaving this trade to run. If we get above this R4.40 area, I'm going to put my stop loss just below these lows. This little rectangle, small little rectangle there. Perhaps maybe put it on break even so that we cannot lose in this trade anymore. So I'm going after this R5.20 area. Capitec. Next one. All right, so symmetrical triangle. The market broke the resistance. We bought this and we're aiming for this 1,210, 1,318. So big area that we are aiming for there. That is just a normal triangle target area that we are aiming for. So anything above there, above 120, stop losses will be on 0 and it will also be a trailing stop system. Next one, Coronation Fund Managers. The same as Anglo. You can see a head and shoulders bottom here with a V bottom as a head. Now, if the market can break above this 45 Rand area, I do see this as continuation and we're going to get into this trade. The same scenario here. We're not going to buy this small bullish flag breakout at these levels because that resistance might just stall, comes back, stop us out and then move. So we will rather wait, be patient for it to break with a strong daily candle close above that resistance. Next opening we will take this trade and we'll put our stop losses below that resistance. So this is the one on my radar as well. Next one, Netcare almost sucked us in. You can see this. This is a very good example of why I trade daily close and open if they are strong only. So this market broke above this resistance just with a wick, not a strong open at all, strong close at all. And the next day we'll see where the market opens up back below that resistance. That is why I'm trading these only on a daily close and a daily open perspective. So above there with a strong candle, I'm still very much interested in this. This is a bullish flag breaking above 14 Rand 15 cents. I think we're going to get bullish on this. And it depends on where this small little low will end. Maybe at that area, if the market breaks, then we can buy this. And where will I put our stop losses? We will then put it below that low, wherever that might be. This can be just a test of this previous small support and resistance area. Let's see what happens there, but nothing for me until that market breaks higher above 14 Rand 15. Tiger Brands, we are in this long. This is an ascending triangle. This is obviously in the opposite direction. Usually an ascending triangle should be traded coming from the bottom. In a bullish market, ascending triangle usually is a very strong continuation pattern. At this stage, I am looking for, or I did look for a breakout to the upside because I am a long stock trader. And the area that I'm aiming here for is 231, 253, very big area. That is also a triangle measurement tool where I can see where the market is going. There is a big resistance at 240. So I'll rather take my money off the table at 230, 240. Maybe we can get some pullback here, maybe back into this support level before the market then continues higher. So Tiger Brands, I'm interested in if it already in it. You can see we're in it. Very nice support and resistance level. And let's see if the market can test this 240 area. It's put in a line so you can see what I'm looking for there. Bar support. Very nice resistance here. It is in the zone that I am aiming for according to the triangle measurement area. So, Tiger Brands, nice trade there for us. Pan-African Resource. Right, so I've done this last week as well. All of these trades have been done last week. Move from the top bottom. We bought this breakout above 4.77. Bullish engulfing candle. It was a continuation the next day. Then we got the shooting star, small little shooting star. I'm not really interested in it. It's not a nice shooting star. And now let's see what it does at these levels. Why am I looking for this level to be tested? It's a past resistance. Maybe we're getting tested here and then the market is going to move. This is also a descending wedge or a declining wedge. Then we got this bullish engulfing candle, got the breakout. We bought it. Stop losses at 435. If the market wants to continue lower, then you will be stopped out. That's fine. Then you take the loss, you walk away, and then you take for the next trade. What is my target on this? Above 660. We're going for $7 on Pan-African Resource. That is what I'm looking for there. Standard Bank still in this rectangle. No trade here. This is just sideways from June, July, August. The whole year from June. Just sideways on this. No real breakout. The longer it takes to get out of this rectangle, the better. Why am I saying this? Because the first measurement tool is the width of this rectangle. Obviously, your price target will be there if it breaks short, or the price target will be there if it breaks long. That is how you trade a rectangle, usually in the direction of the trend. But for this, I am looking for continuation higher, because this was the low. The first move was first up in the rectangle. I'm looking for the move out. The other measurement tool is to take the length of this continuation, or this rectangle, this correction. Take that length. You can just arc it like this. That will be your second target. So price target 1, price target 2. That is how you will trade Standard Bank, or I will trade Standard Bank for. And the last one, Woolies. So Woolies is very interesting. We took this trade once it broke this resistance level. We're aiming for this 40 Rand 80 area. The market broke, came back, just testing the support and resistance levels maybe, and then we might just get a move higher. If this market comes lower than $32, I want to get out of this trade. Not interested anymore, because it's a very short-term trade. And if you just copy this upward trend line, you can see it's basically forming a bearish flag. So we're basically trading in this bearish flag. I will look for a move lower eventually on Woolies, but for now this breakout for me was sufficient to buy it. Let's see if we can get to this $42 area before we get out of this trade. So those are the stocks or the equities that I'm looking for in the South African stock market this week. I will update you. We are in five trades, I think. 5 or 6 trades. Yes. 5 of them, 6 of them. We are on 6 trades, all the red ones, and we were looking for the others then to trigger us for this week. For the Bitcoin traders, I'm still looking for this 7,000, 5,000 area. Just very interesting for the Bitcoin traders. I am still waiting for it to come down. 4,800, 7,100. That is the area that I want to buy Bitcoin. I am looking at this as a triangle scenario, as a B wave according to the wave principle. And my target on Bitcoin is $26,000 to $30,000 eventually. So that will be very interesting to see if that happens. Guys, yes, so the rest of the weekend you can expect your FX video on the majors and on the crosses. I'll also do the video on the Aussie setups this week, and I will also do indices video over the weekend. You must have a wonderful week, everybody. If you want to get involved in our services, please contact me. Kobus at saforextrading.co.za. That is my email address. We have a monthly service where I will do all of the analysis for you. I will keep you updated on all of the charts, FX pairs, indices, commodities, and stocks. It's a wonderful site that you are just basically log in. All of the analysis will be done for you on a 24-hour basis, and I will let you know when those trades trigger. Also, a lot of educational material on this, daily videos, daily setups on the FX pair. So it's not only a site where you'll get the analysis. Yes, you pay me to do the analysis for you, to show you what's going on the charts, but also I want to educate you to trade for yourself. That is the main thing here. All of these are available to members. So, Kobus at SA Forex Trading. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you in the week. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.